Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WooCommerce tax settings with Avalara. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure WooCommerce tax settings with Avalara, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings by selecting WooCommerce in the sidebar. Click on the Tax tab to access the tax settings. If you don't see the Tax tab, ensure that you have enabled taxes in the WooCommerce general settings. Next, check the box labeled Enable Tax Rates and Calculations. After enabling taxes, scroll to the appropriate section to configure the tax display settings according to your needs. Look for the calculation type dropdown and select the method that suits your business, either class based on cart items or shipping based on destination. Install and activate the Avalara WooCommerce plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Once activated, navigate to WooCommerce and then Settings. Locate the Avalara tab within WooCommerce settings. Enter your Avalara account credentials, including your API key and company code. Once you've entered your credentials, click Connect to link WooCommerce with your Avalara account. Next, configure the Avalara settings by selecting the appropriate company settings and tax profiles that align with your business operations. You can choose to auto-validate addresses by enabling the address validation feature in the Settings section. Next, specify any shipping tax options according to your local tax regulations. After configuring your settings, proceed to the Tax Settings area of Avalara. Import any existing tax rates, if applicable, to ensure accurate calculations. Review the tax settings within WooCommerce to confirm they align with the Avalara settings. Test the tax calculations by adding products to the cart and observing how taxes are applied based on your configured settings. Make any necessary adjustments to the rates or settings if the calculations are not as expected. Once everything is configured and tested, be sure to save your settings. Regularly monitor the tax reports within Avalara to make sure everything is functioning as intended. This completes the configuration of WooCommerce tax settings with Avalara. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.